Yes, go on, please. Reading with Gemini.
This is my first post.
Story is better. Enrollment is now open at Gemini underscore for Gen Z. Perfect. Okay. Good. Enhanced reading with Gemini. What does it mean actually? If you can help me, what are you trying to convey? Maybe I can help you frame the words better. Please tell me. Enhanced reading with
Sir,
Gemini. What do we mean by this title? Headline.
that means, sir, means reading. Gen AI will enhance reading ability
Okay.
for kids. Yes, sir.
In the sense that they will be able to read faster or they will be able to.
Yes, sir. They will, sir. They will understand better, and means simply, sir. There is a description. Gen AI help kids to understand and focus and remember stories better.
ठीक है चल
Because if they understand, they can, I think, do more focus, and they will remember whatever they learn.
perfect. I am with you. I'm with you. Okay. GenAI boosts reading skills. GenAI makes reading faster, easier, and fun for kids. So it's the same thing, isn't it? But we are trying
Yes,
out
sir.
some different things.
Sir,
Absolutely fine,
three.
Rishabh. Hmm.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Three posts we have to make on.
Perfect. Perfect.
This one. Third
GenAI
post, sir.
enhances relearning. For GenAI makes reading exciting, improving understanding, and look at this sentence. GenAI makes reading exciting, improving understanding and memory. The statement is somehow a miss, my dear friend, right? What you can change this, just make a note of it. Look, before changing, I can do it instantly. What I want you to learn is this. I am reading the sentence right now. Gen AI makes reading exciting, improving understanding and memory. Now, there is such kind of a rhyming thing which is happening, reading, exciting, improving understanding, right? And this is somehow this is interfering in the understanding of the concept. So what are you getting this part? We are using this reading, exciting, improving understanding. So a kind of ing, which is coming now. This is if we can
Yes, sir.
draft some kind of a poem around it, that would be superb idea. In fact, that's another idea which you can put it in your vault, which you
Yes.
can try out by giving a prompt to ChatGPT. However,
Yes.
this definitely is not a poem. In this case, we have to make this sentence a bit better. Now, how can we make the sentence better uh, without changing the meaning? So possibly we can say Gen AI makes Gen AI makes the enhances the excitement while reading, or better still, uh, reading made. Let me give a thought over this.
I will, sir. I will change.
All right. Okay. So fine. You can
Yes,
you
sir.
can change
I
this.
understand.
Got
Yes,
it.
sir.
Got
Rhyming
it.
is, it's not well, sir. Sir. It's post is good. If
Hmm.
I can change.
Post design, post CTA, post handle, everything you have taken care. Even the image which you have taken is relevant. Everything is just great. In fact, what you can do is I'll tell you. Okay. Next. Go on, please. Next.
Hmm.
Expands kids' vocab. Genia helps kids learn new words through engaging stories and lessons. यहाँ पे what I can feel, my dear, is you have tried out the creativity, which is nice, which is good. Uh, Now, two things which I feel here. The headline is inside a button. The button gives some kind of a different impression. So this clearly looks like a button, right? So button gives a different impression, and normally people would expect button at the bottom where some kind of a CTA is expected, which is certainly
Yes, sir.
not the case here. Number one.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yeah.
uh, Number two is the color part. You should try out a bit more variation. There is a lot of gradient here. And this, as remember, when I had told you, shared with you that try out with couple of colors, only couple, two
Yes.
in a
Yes. Yes.
post.
Yes, sir.
So that this particular post is violating it.
Okay,
The
sir.
two color rule is only violated only if the two color rule is only violated and accepted if you are bringing out a picture in that. Even an illustration, if you are taking, it has to go with the two color rule. It has to follow the two color rule. This one is something which you need to look into. Understood?
Okay.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Next. This is perfect. This is great, actually. GenAI teaches kids new words with interactive exercise and discussion. So clear, so concise. Tell me one thing. Isn't it left indentation is missing a bit? Can you check this? Interactive and new. These two lines, aren't they missing out on the
Sir, new. Yes, sir. New, sir. New.
है ना? So
Yes,
correct
yes.
this part.
New. Yes,
Okay.
sir. I will.
Next,
Yes, sir.
please. This is very creative, very good. Kids learn new words through reading, word usage, and context clues. Stronger vocab. Beautiful art here. बहुत अच्छे, Rishabh. Very good. And here you are, I mean, even though this two rule thing is violated, but it doesn't look to be giving a incorrect impression. Okay. For some reason, it is still soothing to the eyes. Yeah, because you're using three colors here, orange,
Yes, sir.
green, and blue, and still it is soothing to the eye because blue and green, you have not extended it a lot actually, and they are
Yes.
spaced also differently. It gives a picture of an art, which is good. Go
Yes.
on, next, please. Great. This is also good. Very good. Spacing is so good. Spacing between the lines is also proper. The font is appropriate. Plain, simple design, simple yet beautiful design, and professional looking. Awesome. Genia encourages active learning and classroom involvement. Great. And you have given the picture of two kids. Green. Okay. One humble input, my dear friend. This is great actually. Purple color also is great in the background. This green जो है ना, ये बिल्कुल आंख में चुभने वाला है, वो समझ रहे हो मेरी बात? ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes, sir. I
इसको
get it.
ग्रीन का कलर थोड़ा सा आप टोन डाउन कर दीजिए, such that it is not pinching to the eyes. Don't make it dark green,
Sir,
otherwise we will lose the effect, because idea is to
sir,
give a bright color only, but ये
yeah.
थोड़ा सा वो चुभ रहा है, उसको थोड़ा
Sir,
सा.
if I will remove green, then I think might be it's okay.
If you remove the green, try it out. Without seeing, I will not be able to comment, my dear.
Okay, sir.
Why?
Okay, sir.
Because on the green itself, you are giving the this Gen AI underscore for Gen Z. It's in purple font. If you remove the green
Yes.
totally, then this letters will be invisible because background is purple. So you will have to
Yes.
give a background, or you will have to change the font. So you'll have to try out a few things.
Okay, sir. I will, sir.
Second part. Go
Yeah,
back,
sir.
please. Second part.
Yes, sir.
Come and be the part of modern education. See 2
Yes, sir.
points. E
Yes,
is
sir.
missing in the B, and
Yes, sir.
always do a spell check, my dear. I had told this so many times. The word is MODERN. R is not there. Okay. So despite your
Modern. Yes,
fantastic
sir.
work, this thing is pinching in the eye. Okay.
Yes.
So इसको
Yes, sir.
correct कीजिए, है ना? क्योंकि the idea is after the internship you should be like totally ready to blast.
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
इसको
Yes, sir.
correct. Habit बना लीजिए. Once you make it a habit,
Yes.
I will not post anything without putting on Grammarly or Grammarly. You are aware of the tool?
Yes, sir. I am aware.
Okay, so please use this before putting anywhere on this. So that will, at least you will know that my word thing is happening correct, and sentence grammar is correct. If it is entire
Yes.
sentence or a post you are putting, and that way you will be good. Okay, make this a habit here. आगे बढ़ेंगे.
Yes, sir.
GenAI promotes high engagement. Kids stay engaged in class with personalized. One quick point, my dear. The lines in this subheadline, subtitle, or this kids stay engaged, The distance between the lines is very less and it is making it look very congested.
Yes,
It is
sir.
affecting the legibility, the readability.
Okay,
Correct
sir.
this, please. Picture
Yes,
is
sir. I.
great, even though it
Hmm.
is occupying like hardly 25-30%, I would say. Uh, but this is acceptable because this is once in a while thing, which I have noticed. So this is
Yes,
also good. And you have also tried to put some kind of an yeah, emojis kind of a thing inside this, icons and all, which is again bringing the beauty, making it more beautiful. Just work
yes,
on
sir.
this
For
distance between the lines
hmm.
part. हाँ बोलिए.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, there is engagement in class. So, sir, I have tried to put it there 100 means kids is focusing, and
Mhm.
there is fire means kids is doing great in. So,
Yes, yes. यहाँ पे एक चीज आपको बोलता हूँ. Just note one thing, my dear Rishabh.
yes, sir.
Uh, what does 100 resemble? 100 resemble. What does 100 resemble? You tell me.
100 resembles means 100% focus on class.
And it means like a top-notch thing, right? 100 is like a
Yes, sir.
top-notch thing, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Huh. So when now we can place 100 anywhere in this image where the child is there, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
if we are putting an icon, let's also give another thought to it that two things minimum we should give a thought. One is the font, sorry, the color and the font, you can say both together.
Yes, sir.
That what is the color and the font? Is it like the normal how people would put 100% and what kind of an impression it gives? So 100
Yes, sir.
here in red font is great. Second thing which you should think about is the placement. 100 in the mind, it gives a psychological impression of a fantastic kid, top-notch kid, top guy, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But I place 100 at the bottom of the picture.
Okay, I get it, sir.
You get it now? And
Yes, sir.
again, third thing, I think there are a few more things. Third thing is, as I mentioned, the size aspect ratio. यहाँ पे the kid size, the entire pic size is very big. This 100 size compared to that is very small. So make it legible,
Yes,
like slightly bigger. Don't enhance it like a balloon, but
yes,
certainly
sir.
make it slightly bigger. Put it near top right, preferably near the, not, I mean, not exactly matching with the head of this
Yes,
kid,
sir.
slightly away,
Yes, sir.
but near the top.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so these
Yes,
are,
sir.
please make a note of these. आप भूल जाइएगा. I am giving you 30 seconds. Make a note of these, all these things which I said.
Yes, sir. I am making, sir. I
Very
have.
good. Very good. Psychological thing, color of the icon, font of the icon, placement of the icon, and definitely the size of the icon. Illustration, whatever it is.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Okay. Very super. This fire part is pretty good. Again, क्या बोलेंगे इसको, sizing थोड़ा सा आप इसका you can play around, but still it is okay. I won't say it's not. It's good. We can move on
Okay,
once you
sir.
have written. Self-paced learning. GenAI helps kids learn at their own speed and style. Make your kids smarter. Join now. GenAI School for Gen Z. Okay, this is also fine, my dear. This is also fine. Where it is losing Rishabh's beautiful touch is uh, mm, the bottom part. Make your kids smarter. Join now. The readability has gone for a toss actually. It's actually very small. So two different font sizes we should be using, and already we can pick one of these or make it slightly larger if you are using this third font. Only make it exception in the first place. Make it slightly larger. That is missing out. Next part which is missing, the magic of Rishabh is everything is like looks like a message, right? GenAI promotes self-paced learning. GenAI helps kids learn at their own speed. Make your kids smarter. Join GenAI. Join now. And GenAI underscore Gen Z. Now, three of these can be classified as a message. What are those three? Number one, GenAI promotes self-paced learning. Yes, message. GenAI help kids learn at their own speed and style. Message. Make your kids smarter. Message. And join now. So make your kids smarter and join now. This looks like a CTA, not like a message, right? So make your kids
Yes, sir.
smarter can still look
Sir,
like a
I
message.
have. Yes, sir. I have place for the CTA, but there is and is missing.
That okay. Next thing is join now is a CTA, clearly a CTA. Putting it together in the same central alignment with the entire message makes me feel like it's a part of the message, which clearly it is not. So make this go either at one of the corners. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Similarly,
Yes,
Gen
sir.
AI underscore for Gen Z. Gen Z, it is going centrally aligned. It is going with all the message, but it is not a message. It is a handle.
Yes, sir. It is.
This you
Yes, sir.
can
It
put
is
it
not
at the bottom left.
corner. Okay, sir.
So put join now in bottom right kind of thing and that in the bottom left.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, please.
Yes, sir.
Achieve self-paced mastery with Gen AI. Kids master topics at their own pace with Gen AI support. Gen AI underscore for Gen Z. Gen AI is transforming ways. Learning ways, hurry and join. Look here again. Gen AI is transforming learning ways, hurry and join. Same line. It's look like a same sentence, but is it the same sentence?
No, sir. It is a CTA.
It is a CTA. So make it go in a different line, on a different line.
Yes, sir. It should
Okay.
be in corner. Yes, sir.
Gen AI enables personalized learning. Kids gain mastery through self-paced lessons and tailored activities. Enroll now. Perfect. Great. Simple, great. Very good. Alignment थोड़ा सा and का missing है क्या? Just check that. A का alignment
Yes, sir.
missing है क्या?
Sir, little bit, sir.
Little bit. Just check that out and correct it if
One
needed.
space.
Hmm.
One space, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, it is okay. I have put Zen AI for Gen Z
This is one thing which
there.
I have made a note and I thought I will tell you at the end. But anyway, and I will tell you at the end only. Hmm. Next.
I have do, sir, this intentionally, sir. I can put easily there, left side of corner,
Mhm.
but I have tried to put there.
Okay. You are asking about the placement.
Yes,
I
sir.
had something else to comment on this. Yes, placement is fine, my dear friend. Placement is fine for this because you have
Okay,
made it
sir.
very clearly distinguishable from the other two messages. Why the placement is necessary? I mean, why we intending to put it on a corner? Corner means that it is a separate part conveying a different kind of a message. It's not part of
Yes,
the
sir.
main message. There is a different message which needs to be conveyed by putting it in a corner, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
that is the whole purpose. Now, by the question to which you should ask yourself is, by putting over here, am I, am I able to convey the message? And my clear answer is yes. Why? First of all, it is very distinguishedly spaced between the previous text.
Yes,
The
sir.
font is different, and
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
while the entire text message, the Gen AI enables personalized learning, kids gain mastery, is inside a ruled line, I am putting it at the corner of a ruled line. Perfect, my dear friend. So this
Okay, sir.
is fine. Next. Enhances note review. Gen AI helps kids review notes quickly. Awesome. Enroll now. Gen AI for Gen Z. Beautiful color gradients, good shapes. Very good, actually. Lovely. Next one,
Sir,
please.
those were not taking readability.
This
Which
is,
shapes I have used?
the shapes are definitely not affecting the readability. This
Yes,
is
sir.
adding
Last
beauty to the entire thing.
Yes, sir. Last time it's making mess.
Okay. So in those cases, we should remove them.
Yes, sir.
Certain. Boost note review. Kids improve note taking and review with Gen AI's guidance. This is also fine. Once in a while, you have put all capitals. Normally, it is not advised, but once in a
Yes,
while,
sir.
my dear friend, pretty okay. Not a problem.
Okay.
And you're given
Yes, sir.
beautiful illustration and loving it, I would say. Go on. Two colors, two fonts, CTA, perfect. Gen AI improves data organization. Gen AI helps kids organize and synthesize information effectively. Enroll now. All right. This is also great, I would say. This is also good, and this is also good, my dear. Very good. Gen AI kids learn to structure and connect data with Gen AI's help. Hurry and enroll. Perfect. Good. Gen AI simplifies data organization. यहाँ देखिए डेटा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ए और ओ के बीच में आपको स्पेसिंग लग रहा है?
Sir, sorry, sir.
Don't feel sorry. I mean, just that once we learn a mistake, we will not repeat it.
Okay, sir.
We'll give our
Yes, sir.
best try not to repeat it.
Yes, sir.
इसको correct कर
I
लीजिए,
need
हो
to
जाएगा.
proofread before lunch, before showing my work, sir.
Yes, that is correct, my dear. Because what happens now,
Yeah.
once you are going in the industry and people pay you for the work, so they would
Yes,
like
sir.
to see that you are skilled enough, and each minute which you are putting in the work is giving a
Yes,
good
sir.
output. So
Yes, sir.
you are skilled, definitely skilled. You are gaining a lot. I can clearly see the changes which are happening in you during this internship. Now,
Yes, sir.
once we try to take this forward, there is a thing called polishing, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
polishing is something which we, towards the end of each of the assignment, different assignments which
Yeah.
are taken,
Mm.
polishing is needed. Yeah, and this is the polishing work which we are trying to do together right now. Once
Yes, sir.
you make a note of it and once you start following it, you will be doing very good in your organization.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, next please.
Sir, all done, sir. There is.
Great. Now I have the comments. So already I have commented on the different parts about it, as and
Yes,
when I
sir.
felt the need. Few things.
Yes, sir.
My dear friend, here is the thing. For each of these posts which you have created till now, please make a note. Let's open one of these, any one of these.
Just a second, sir.
Okay. Enroll now is fine. Gen AI for Gen Z. Now look at the bottom part. Gen AI underscore for Gen Z, right? So normally, this post I will be putting on my Instagram handle. So this
Yes, sir.
information, Gen AI underscore for Gen Z, is already there, right? So
Yes, sir.
putting this part of information there would actually be taking up the real estate over there, which can be better utilized.
Yes, sir.
Someone comes to my headline, someone looks at this post, so naturally they take a look at this thing, right? What different you can add? Certainly you can add some difference. What is not present immediately on the handle, that part you can add. And what is that part? You can either put my WhatsApp number, okay,
Yes, sir.
or you can put my email ID.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. It is okay. Yes, sir. It is great idea.
Yeah, so let's try to do that. Number one, this is one thing. Please implement it across all the slides, not just today's slides, all the slides. Okay, number one. Number two, what I want you to do is enroll now. Every time we will not have a CTA. As for example, informational posts sometimes when we are putting, these are informational
Yes, sir.
posts. And
Yes, sir.
information, okay, I think I should take a step back and share some more things. So there is a very principle, very important principle actually, which says that people are smart and they don't like to be sold, they like to buy. If you
Yes, sir.
tell them that, hey, Rishabh, what a fantastic, chocolate, what a fantastic restaurant, what a fantastic t-shirt it is and all that. So I come, you in your mind, I am forming my impression as a sales guy.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And everyone repels sales guys. Okay. Most of the guys, they repel the sales guy. Okay. Unless they are in the dire need of buying something, they will repel. Hey, oh, come on, yaar. I mean, I'm here for consuming something on the internet. You are just selling me something. If I like something, I'll buy. So that is the whole purpose of marketing. And we are
Yes, sir.
marketers, social media marketers.
Yes, sir.
Marketing message, there is certainly promotional message which will clearly carry the sales message there, sales and sales
Yes, sir.
CTA.
Yeah.
But if you can recall, we had done this research, and in our research we had figured out of the people who are selling of our competition that after 5 to 7 they would put one 5 to 7 different posts, and
Yes,
after
sir.
that one post will be of sales, right?
Yes, sir.
It
Yes,
was
sir.
your research itself. I remember you telling. I think your
Yes, sir.
number
Yes,
was
sir.
10.
Yes, sir.
Right. So here in each of your posts, I am seeing enroll now.
Yes, sir.
However, if you remember, the assignment is benefits. right? There is no CTA. So what we are right now
Yes,
trying to do is, we are right now trying to form an impression in the minds of the people where we are posting that we are two things. We are trying to share some things of value to you.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And secondly, we are subject matter experts.
Yes, sir.
This is the psychology. This is the psychology of this benefit posts. Okay. So what I
Yes,
want
sir.
you to do now is, right now is, go back, open your entire work folder and
Yes, sir.
create, don't delete these versions, my dear. Okay. Don't delete
Yes,
these.
sir.
At the right time, I will also put these also.
Yes, sir.
Create another version. Okay. Create a copy wherein put this version as CTA version in your folder, such that I know that these are CTA versions. Another is
Yes, sir.
non-CTA version, wherein you
Okay.
remove this enroll now.
Yes, sir. I will.
Right? So that is one thing
Yes.
which you need to do across everything today. And the second thing is, as I mentioned, that instead of Gen AI for Gen Z, you can pick your thing. Like you can, let's make a uniform thing, gk@techforgenz.com. Okay, just put it. No need to reach us at. People are smart enough. They will see an email. They know that what to do. Okay.
Yes,
Or,
sir. Sir,
yeah, please tell
sir,
me.
GK, sir. Please repeat one more
I
time.
will send across an email on WhatsApp
Okay,
process
okay,
on the group.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Hmm? That is
Yes,
something
okay,
which
sir.
we should try to do.
Yes, sir.
The third thing now for which I had wanted to put in this week, but before that, I would like you definitely I want you to go and modify your CV, add something to your CV. So please mention the line of creating post which you have added in the CV. What is that which you had added? Open your CV, please.
Sir, actually,
Mhm.
see, sir, I have to open my CV now, sir.
Yeah, I remember every week I am asking, updating the CV of each of you such that it becomes more
Yes, sir.
employable CV. So I want you to open
Yes,
that
sir.
CV.
Uh,
No need to share.
s-
You can open that CV on your machine. You can stop sharing right now.
okay, sir. Yes, sir. I have.
What is the line
Just a
which you have written?
last time, sir, I have written, sir, research on Instagram based.
Okay, hold on. The post part, the creation of post से related एक मैंने update कराया था आप लोगों को, related to creation of
Sir,
post.
it was earlier we have made it.
Yes. So what was that line?
Sir, a line is we are conversant with creation of Insta post and carousels.
Perfect. Now change the conversant. You make it as proficient. PROFICIENT.
Okay, sir.
That means highly professional.
Okay, sir.
Proficient with this.
Okay, sir.
Got it. Now,
Done, sir.
good, great. Today's assignment, my dear. One thing which is missing in all the posts and carousels till now, and it was intentional because we had not covered that part till now, is logo, right? So what we need to do is, I wanted to throw a logo competition actually in the group, but you're the only one, so that's fine also. That's absolutely good. So what we need to do is we need to create a logo. Are you able to view my screen? I cannot hear you, my dear friend.
So, sorry, sir. Yes, sir.
You are able to view. So what I want you to do is
Yes,
I
sir.
want
I'm
you to
able to.
create a logo for Tech for Gen Z.
Yes, sir.
This is the business name, my dear. Gen AI for Gen Z is the handle, but we need to create
Yes,
a
sir.
logo for Tech for Gen Z. So you are
Yes,
aware
sir.
of Canva. You are using it already. You can use the Dreamlab feature. This is a free feature itself.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you can give
I
the
will
prompt.
use Dream.
Yeah, you can give the prompts. You know what we do. Try to be, try to be more creative over here. This is just a sample thing which I am showing, for which it has generated some 4
Yes, sir.
images to me. Now you can pick one of these images, go to
Okay, sir.
Canva and work on them and make it even better. This is tool number 1.
Yes,
There
sir.
are other tools also which
Yes.
I had tried. Art Breeder, it was prompt. Art Breeder was there. This is another tool, though it did not give me good result, decent results, but you can try this particular tool as well. Okay, just for the sake
Canva
of
and
having a flavor. Artbreeder.com. Note it.
okay, sir. Art Breeder.
Number 3, another tool
Yes,
is
sir.
this one, OpenArt.ai. So this is a marvelous tool again, but for logo, how much useful it is, I am not sure. I've used it for other purposes. For logo, you could also give it a shot. So prompt is given here.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
these
sir.
are the
It is
logo.
good.
Yeah. So this is also something which you can try. So I had used this actually. You see, these 4, I had used it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I am
Yes, sir.
currently intending to use actually few of these in my course also. Another beautiful site is Ideogram. This gives excellent results. So here you can give the prompt. Okay. You can just check text, background, whatever. Just keep so background I'm preferring white. But you can
Yes, sir.
think for this. So it was able to generate these things for me. Can you see this? So you can pick one of these, you
Yes, sir.
can say save image as, it will save the image, and then you can go and work on the Canva with that. Okay.
Yes,
These
sir.
are 4 different
Yes, sir.
tools. Before you start to use these different tools, I strongly recommend to do some research. Okay. So what is the research? So you can think of logos of famous educational brands globally. Globally, remember that. And
Okay,
once you
sir.
look at this, you will come across multiple, I think better to go to images. You will come across quite a few of them. You can look at the background which they are using, the font which they are using. You will find blue and black, 2 fonts only you will observe. Background, you will see it is again, it will not vary much. It will be in the similar font because they won't like a lot of colors. You look at all other brands here.
Yes, sir.
So you will get an understanding that what people are having in their mind. School, a globe kind of a thing, global education.
Yes, sir.
Go through
I will get a better idea.
step 1. Step 1 is this. Step 2, you pick these logos, okay, and you go to this place. So for example, I will Educrib, I'll take this. That doesn't. So save image as. Okay, let me just start. JPEG. I'll go to my GenAI, my ChatGPT. And then what I'm gonna do
Yes, sir.
here is I'm gonna give this image to ChatGPT. And as you know, ChatGPT can see, right? So I will say, can you please help me extract the specifics of the logo attached? So one is your manual observation. Second is I'm seeking you to ask ChatGPT to draft this. Please take a look at it. Modern sans serif font. It is in lighter blue shade. Contrast makes it visually distinct. So this is the characteristic. Remember, icon bird head is incorporated. So
Yes, sir.
now, so you will get all this. Make a note of it, copy paste in some notebook. Then what you second thing which you tell ChatGPT is, if I have to get this image generated with your help, what kind of prompt I have to give you? Now, why we are doing this exercise? We will take this kind of prompt and we will try few of these prompts. Then we will create our own prompt because it will help us give 10 different prompts. We'll create a match of these 10 different prompts and we will go to these websites, Prompter, Canva, All these are breeder, dream, ideogram. Make a note of all these. I hope you have already done. All of these we make, we go there, we put this prompt, which we had figured out from here, and then we work on this. So here is the prompt. A modern minimalist logo for an educational brand called, so here you replace this, Tech for Gen Z. Logo reflect, bird head is slightly tilted. So this is, so based on like 10 different prompts, if you give, you will get some idea. You can create your own prompt and go to these places, get the first image and work in the Canva with the preferred image. Is this clear, my dear?
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Lovely.
Sir,
Please tell me.
sir, sir, today's class video will be on, you will upload on YouTube, na, sir?
This was something very specific, but I will upload it for a day.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So you want to revise
Yes, sir.
this? I'm okay with that.
Yes, sir. I can take a look again, sir. Then it will okay.
Okay, I will
It
put
will
it.
help. Yes, sir. It will help me. Means if I forget something.
Okay, I will put it, and it can help. I will put it for you. Okay, today. And second thing is, we need to close this activity today evening. We are going to have another class today at 8 o'clock where another assignment will follow. So this is going to be an interesting day. What I'm exempting you from now is the PPT for this. You can prepare later.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So today evening we have another class, 8 o'clock sharp. Please show.
Sir, we have class 8
Yes,
o'clock today.
today evening, 8 o'clock. Yes, my dear friend. Where
Okay,
new
sir.
assignment will be given. So try to finish this logo activity. I don't want you to invest a lot of time over there. I want you to get a taste of it and learn how to create a logo wherever you are joining. Okay?
Yes. Okay, sir. I will.
Sure. All the very best. Take good care, Isha. Bye-bye.
Yes, sir.
You
Bye,
can
sir.
expect this video in next half an hour, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
dear. Thank you, my dear.
Have a
Good
good
day.
day, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.